Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Pizza Day. Today we're gonna make the laziest 10-minute pizza. Today we're gonna use a wrap as our base. And I said it's the laziest, so no pizza dough today. And man, this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna put on 1 tablespoon of my favorite barbecue sauce. It's a honey sauce. Oh, I like barbecue honey sauce. And cover the whole bottom with this delicious sauce. And you can do whatever sauce you want, but I like barbecue sauce. I'm also adding some red onions, and I pre-diced them because, laziness. I like being lazy when it comes to food. And I also pre-cooked some chicken thigh. Now that's some good protein there. When you're fitnessing a lot like me, like 4 or 5 times in a week, you need a lot of protein. So chicken thigh will do the job. And this is about 200 grams of chicken thigh. Now some mozzarella cheese. There's no pizza without cheese. So I'm gonna put on some delicious low-fat mozzarella. Oh man, and there will be more cheese. You know me, more cheese. More cheese is more deliciousness. And for now we're gonna top it off with some oregano. Just to give him that little Italian herb flavor. And I'm using my feeling here. I don't know how much this is. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Now it's ready for the oven. And man, I said 10 minutes, so this will go in for about 8 minutes. Now, let's do this. Now there you have it. Look at that. Delicious. But it's not done yet. We're gonna put some extra on it. And I can smell the cheese. Delicious. We're gonna put on some rocket salad. Now, that looks pretty. And some more cheese. And it's some grated Reggiano Parmesan cheese. Delicious. I'm gonna eat this. I can't wait. Delicious. My quick, laziest... No, it's the laziest 10-minute pizza I ever made. Man, I like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new. And give me a like. Maybe share this. Let others see this delicious pizza. And as always, see you next time.